Yes. Ah. Is that so? You love me?
I love you.
Oh, I love you too. I love you. Oh, you love me? I love you too. Yeah, you're so smart. Yeah, and what else? What else? Tell me more. Ooh. Yes, I love you. Really? You're so smart. You're so smart. Okay. You're so cute. Yeah, you are. Yes, you are. Boo, 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 boo. All that talking? And?
Tristan, how old are you? How old are you today? Ask him, Dad.
How old are you today, Tristan? That old?
11 weeks.
Is that so? Are you 11? What? Really? Ooh. Ooh. I love you. I love you. What? Are you getting mad? Are you getting so mad? I love you.
You want Mom to get you? Pick you up?
I love you. You're so cute. Even when you're starting to get upset. I can see it.
He wants you to pick him up.
I can see it. I love you.
Pick him up, Dad.
Say I love you.
He's not a dog.
I love you. I love you.
There we go.
What a good boy. Come here, you.
There we go.
Come here, you. Hi. Mwah. What a good boy.
That's Mama's little sweetheart.
What a good little boy.
So you say, I love you.
Yeah.
You say, I love you. What a good boy. Kisses? Hi,
Give
sweetheart.
Mama kisses. Mama kisses. Oh, the phone kisses.
Mm.
Oh,
What a baby.
what a good